Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. In our previous class, we have seen that how Andrew mentioned had lost in his thought and how he was thinking about Christine to whom he loved, and he started thinking about the marriage failures because he had got some time for relaxation because Joe Morgan's wife was not that particular was not at that particular time when she can give birth to a child. So he had got some time, and the moment he got some time, he started thinking of all these things. And the lady and the senior lady, the experienced lady, that was Mrs. Morgan's mother. She called him, she addressed him, and when she addressed him, she started thinking about the Joe Morgan's wife. And Susan said that don't give chloroform to the lady because it will provide some harm to the baby which is present in her womb. But Andrew Madsen said that it won't do any harm. It won't do any harm to that lady. Now the nurse says that here's the nurse voice was heard calling from the top landing. The nurse was in the room of Joe Morgan. From there, the nurse voice was heard. Nurse called Andrew mentioned, who was on the upstairs. Andrew glanced at the clock. Andrew looked towards the clock. Andrew glanced at the clock. Glance means to look towards the clock, which now showed half past three, which showed that it was the half past three. He rose and went up to the bedroom. Now he rose up. Now he stand up and went up to the bedroom. And now he means Andrew mentioned gone to the room of Mrs. John Morgan. He perceived that he might not begin his work, and the moment Andrew mentioned reached in the Joe Morgan's wife house, in the Joe Morgan's wife room. Now he comes to a conclusion that now she is going to give birth a child. So this is the right time to stand here. An hour elapsed. It was a long, harsh struggle. Means for an hour they have given their effort. An hour elapsed. It was a long, harsh struggle. Means the struggle for an hour. Then, as the first streaks of dawn strayed past the broken edges of the blind, then as the first streak means the thin line. Then, as the first streaks of dawn passed through the broken edges of the blind, the child was born lifeless. And see what is the coincidence. After 20 years, Joe Morgan and his wife had got the blessings of the God that after 20 years of their marriage, now they have the chance to get a child. But what is the matter? Here is the matter that the child was born, but the child was lifeless, means that child was not living. As he gazed at the still form, a shiver of horror passed over Andrew. And what happened? See, as he gazed at the still form, a means at the when Andrew saw that child, the lifeless child, a horror or sadness was spreaded like a fire in a jungle. A horror or bad news is spreaded down. After all that he had promised, that he had promised to the Joe Morgan that he will successfully conduct his job and he will give him a gift of God after 20 years, and this gift is gift of God in the form of a child. He had promised that he will take care of his wife and he will do everything okay, but he's totally unhappy, totally sad that he had promised and his promise had been broken. His face heated with his own exertions. His face was heated of his own exertions. We have seen that how Andrew mentioned behave after seeing the lifeless child. As he gazed at the still form, a shiver of horror passed over Andrew, and the moment Andrew saw the lifeless child, a horror or sadness had been spreaded all over the place, all over the house of the Joe Morgan, because this child was born after 20 years. After all that he had promised, it is said that because Andrew mentioned had promised to Joe Morgan that he will try or he will do his best in order to save the child and his mother. But here a lifeless child was born. After all that he had promised, after all he had promised, because he had promised that the child will be living at the time of birth, but here the child was lifeless. His face heated with his own exertions. Here, the moment Andrew Manson saw the lifeless child, his face was heated. His face was changed. His face was become dull, dry, because he had seen a lifeless child. Chilled suddenly, his face was heated. His face was exhausted. But after a few minutes, it was cooled down. He hesitated, torn between his desire to attempt to resuscitate the child. What this word mean? Resuscitate. Resuscitate. What this word mean? Resuscitate. Resuscitate means to revive someone from unconsciousness, to bring the life, to bring the energy back to the lifeless body. Here resuscitate means Andrew wants to revive, Andrew wants to bring back the life of the child back to his dead body. He hesitated, torn between his desire, and his attempt was divided into two parts, whether he should attempt the or whether he should take the difficult step in order to revive or in order to resuscitate the lifeless child. And his obligations and his duty, obligation means duty, and his duty towards the mother. And he started thinking, Andrew Manson had started thinking that whether he should take another step to revive the child, to resuscitate the child back to his lifeless body, or he had promised to, or he had shown his duty towards that mother who was herself in a desperate state, and the mother of the child was in a very desperate state, was very upset. It was said that it was the duty of the Andrew Manson to revive, to bring the life of the child back to his body. The dilemma, the confusion, the dilemma means the confusion, the dilemma was so urgent, he did not solve it consciously. The dilemma means the confusion was so urgent, he did not solve it consciously. Means the confusion was so much that it cannot be solved in the conscious state. How he is going to solve that problem? Blindly, instinctively, he gave the child to the nurse and turned his attention to Susan Morgan, who now lay collapsed. The dilemma was so urgent that it cannot be solved in the conscious state. Blindly and instinctively, the action which was taken by the doctor was that he handed over that child to the nurse and he gave the child to the nurse and turned his attention to Susan Morgan, because that child was in his hand. The lifeless child was in the hand of Andrew Manson, and he gave that child to the nurse, and he shown his attention towards the Susan Morgan. And the moment Andrew Manson saw Susan Morgan, that lady collapsed, almost pulseless and not yet out of the other, upon her side. And that lady, Susan Morgan, had collapsed, and it was looking like that lady was pulseless, means that his pulse is also not working. His haste was desperate. His haste was desperate, a frantic race against her ebbing strength. It was said that state was a very desperate state, and that race was looking like a ebbing strength. Ebbing strength means the decreasing strength. The power of the doctor was coming down. It took him only an instant to smash a glass ampule and inject the medicine. Excuse me. It took him an instant to smash the glass ampule. Now, Andrew Manson took the glass capsule and inject the medicine. Means he had taken the medicine and he was about to give that medicine. Then he flung down the hypodermic syringe and worked unsparingly to restore the flaccid woman. Flaccid woman. What is what flaccid mean? Flaccid means lifeless. Flaccid means lifeless woman. No, sorry. Then he flung down the hypodermic syringe, and then he took the syringe and he inject that syringe below the skin. Hypodermic means the region which is immediately beneath the skin. It is known as the hypodermic skin, and the skin which is above that layer, it is known as the endodermic. In the same way, it is said that hypodermic. The endomention had taken the syringe and he put the syringe beneath the skin, which is known as the hypodermic skin, and worked unsparingly. Unsparingly means generous. Worked unsparingly, and the medicine which the endomention had injected in the hypodermic skin had started working unsparingly, had started working generously to restore, to come back to the original state, to revive or to come back to the attention state, in order to restore the flaccid woman, in order to revive, in order to bring back that lady, in order to bring back Susan Morgan back to the life, because she was collapsed the moment she saw Andrew Mansion with lifeless child. She was collapsed, and after that Andrew Mansion had taken the syringe, and in that syringe the medicine was filled, and he had injected that skin in the hypodermic layer of the skin in order to revive the unconscious collapsed lady. After a few minutes of feverish effort, after a few minutes of feverish effort, her heart strengthened. He saw that he might safely leave her. After a few minutes, Andrew Manson saw that lady heart was strengthened. That lady heart was bold enough to face the problem, and then he left that lady. He swung around in his shirt sleeves, his hair sticking to his damp brow. Where's the child? The midwife made a frightened gesture. She had placed it beneath the bed. Now Andrew Manson asked, "Where's the child? Where's the child?" Because he had handed that child to the nurse. Now he asked, where's the child from the nurse? Then the midwife said that she had placed that child beneath the bed. In a flash, Andrew knelt down. And when this information he had got that child was placed beneath the bed, that child was under the bed, he knelt down. Knelt down means to keep both the knees on the surface and to look down the bed. He knelt down. He bent down on the knees in order to see the child. Fishing amongst the sodden newspaper below the bed, and beneath the bed there was newspaper. He pulled out the child, and that child was on that paper only, and he pulled that child outside. A boy perfectly formed, and the child was a boy. A boy which was born, which was perfectly formed, because sometimes it was seen that some child is premature. They born before their 9 months time. That child is known as the premature child. But here Andrew Manson want to say that child is a perfectly formed. I mean that child is perfectly formed, perfectly featured, perfectly developed child after 9 months of delivery. The limp, warm body was white and soft as tallow. What tallow means? Tallow means the hard fat of animals melted and used to make soap. It is the fat of the body. A boy perfectly formed, the limp, warm body was white, and the body was white and soft as tallow. Tallow in the sense that the hard fat of animals. The cord hastily slashed. The cord actually means the flexible parts. The cord has hastily slashed. Slashed means cut. We said that slashed it means to cut it. Slash means to cut. The cord hastily slashed lay like a broken stem, and it was looking like that the stem which is cutted down. It is looking like that, a cut of a broken stem. The skin was of a lovely texture, and the skin was of lovely texture means the skin was very lovely, was very good. The skin was a lovely texture, smooth and tender, and see this is the quality of the A.J. Cronin. That he beautifully picturized each and everything. The words which he had used, by reading these words, it is seen that we are seeing we are seeing that child, we are seeing that the lifeless child in front of us. Means how beautifully, how generously he had used the word, and it seems that the child is standing in front of us only. The skin was a lovely texture. The skin was a well formed, smooth. The skin of the child was smooth and tender and very delight. And the child body, whenever we see the child, a small child, newly born child, we see that the skin looks white, yellowed and red mix, and it looks very soft and tender, very delight. The head lolled on the thin neck, the limbs seemed boneless.